Dear friends, today under the series Cooking Without Fire, I am showing you a fruit chaat which will be very appetizing as well as healthy. I have chilled chopped fruits which I have kept refrigerated for 40 minutes, and in this bowl I am going to add some spices, some salt, some crushed black pepper, some chaat masala, about a quarter to half teaspoon will be sufficient. If you are chosen fruits such as citrus or and some black salt and cumin powder. A dash of lime will prevent the fruits from turning brown. I need to toss these fruits in these spices. And as they are ready to be served, put them in individual bowls, attractive bowls to be served on the table to your guests. I have chosen all sweet fruits: mango, melon, grapes, banana. But if we choose fruits such as pomegranate or sweet lime, kiwi, etc., in that case you can add some powdered sugar to balance the tastes. So these are some fruits which I have put in these bowls, and I am going to garnish with fresh mint leaves which will enhance the color and make your dish look attractive. So this voila, fruit chaat is ready to be served on the table. Thank you.